Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.